Add a title to your chart to make it easier to understand. Once you've created a chart, select the Chart Title box and type in a title. To change the title placement, select the plus sign, and then select the arrow next to Chart Title. Select Centered Overlay to have the title lay over the chart, or More Options. You can also right-click the chart title to format it. Select options like Fill and Outline to format your title. You can update a chart title by linking it to a worksheet cell. Select your chart title and add an equal sign to the formula bar. Select the worksheet cell you want to link any title changes to and press Enter. Any changes you make to the linked cell will now appear in your chart title.